Hello dear students and viewers. Today I have published a new video for the students, those who are staying at home during this contaminated COVID-19 period, coronavirus period. Most of the students do not have the chance to go to their schools and colleges for study, so they are suffering from mental depression and they do not have the chance to go to their tutor or teachers. So I want to help them. As a result, I have published many videos through my YouTube channel, K Mondol or Khokon Mondol YouTube channel, chronologically. You can visit those videos if you link to my channel, Khokon Mondol or K Mondol YouTube channel, Digital Study or Digital Classroom. I hope that my video will be helpful to you. Needs no telling. Let us discuss the rules. Rule number 3 of positive degree. I have already discussed rule number 1, rule number 2 of positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now I am going to discuss rule number 3 of positive degree, rule number 3 of comparative degree and rule number 3 of superlative degree, and the changing method and rules of changing from positive to comparative to superlative, comparative to positive to superlative and superlative to comparative to positive. Okay, let us discuss and look at the sentence and listen to me what I am going to say. You must be attentive, and if there is any question, you can comment to my comment box. If you agree, you can pen down the comments through my comments box. Okay, you can follow the comments box and pen down if you wish, if any question arises in your mind. Okay. Rule number 3 of positive degree. Very few plus NP plural number plus extension plus verb plural plus as plus positive form of adjective and adverb plus as plus NP. I have already discussed what is NP. NP means noun phrase or noun pronoun. Okay. Noun phrase, for example, Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Australia, England, country, boy, girls, he, she. Pronoun will be included in noun phrase. Okay, noun phrase means not only noun, name of anything, but also pronoun will be included in NP or noun phrase. Okay, she, he, they, we, you will be included in NP noun phrase. Very few is one of the rules of degree, positive degree. If there is the comparable factor is more than 2, there will be very few. Very few plus NP plural number plus extension. Extension means any kind of preposition or any other phrase. If there is, it is extension, plus verb plural, where, are, etc, plus as plus positive form of adjective and adverb. Adjective and adverb. There is a question, you may ask me the question, what is adjective and what is adverb? Adjective means which qualifies or modifies subject or object or noun phrase, it or pronoun, noun or pronoun, it is called adjective. But the word which modifies or qualifies verb, it is called verb, adverb, adjective, even whole the sentence, it is called adverb. For example, he is a good boy. Good adjective, but I have done well. I have sang a song well. This well is adverb because it modifies sang or sing. So the word which qualifies or modifies verb, adjective, adverb, even whole the sentence, it is called adverb. But sometimes well may be adjective. As for example, I am well now. I am quite well today. I feel well today. So this well is not adjective. This well is adverb. So well has two functions. There are two functions of well, adjective and adverb. But good is adjective. Good, better, best, well, better, best. Good, better, best, well, better, best. There is a difference in respect of at the base form or P form, positive form, good and well. But in respect of comparative degree and superlative degree, they are similar. Better, good, better, well, better. Good, better, best, well, better, best. Look at the word and try to understand what I am going to say for you. Very few books in the world are as famous as Ramayana. Ramayana, one of the books of Hinduism, so it is religious book. Very few books in the world are as famous as Ramayana. Okay, very few kings, very few According to rule, very few plus NP plural number books in the word extension, that is prepositional phrase, are verb plural as conjunction, famous, adjective, P form of adjective, Ramayana, NP noun phrase. Okay. Very few kings in the world were as great as King Solomon. I have already penned down this sentence. I have published this sentence before. Again, I am discussing this sentence. Very few kings in the world were as great as King Solomon. Okay. Very few countries in the world are as affected as affected by COVID-19 as India. Very few countries in the world are as affected by COVID-19 as India. There are few words we must understand. Very few. Very few. Rule of positive degree. Third rule. Countries NP noun phrase or noun pronoun. Okay. NP noun phrase or noun pronoun. In the world, extension, that is prepositional phrase, are verb plural as conjunction affected by COVID-19. Affected, it is past participle of verb, but it acts as adjective. Okay, it is past participle. Participle, we must know, participle, present participle, past participle. Participle means adjective if it qualifies or modifies noun or pronoun. Okay, very few countries in the world are as affected by COVID-19 as India. Next, rule number 3 of comparative degree. NP plus verb plus comparative form of adjective and adverb plus than plus plus most other. NP plural number plus extension. Most other. I have already said this. Most than most other. This most is not comparative positive superlative form of adjective. It is most. This most indicates number. Okay, it is number but not superlative form. Most of the students, most of the people, it indicates number. Many students, most of the students. Okay. NP plus verb plus comparative form of adjective and adverb plus than most other. So if there is, I am going to red mark. Look at this portion. Than most other. If there is very few in positive degree, there will be than most other in comparative degree. You must remember it. This is very important. Ramayana is more famous than most other books in the world. Okay. King Solomon was greater than most other kings in the world. India is more affected by COVID-19 than most other countries in the world. Than most other. Okay, you must remember it. Rule number 3 of superlative degree. NP plus verb plus one of the. I have already marked and I am going to red mark because this portion is very important. If you want to sense, I have already red mark one of the. If there is very few in positive degree, if there is very few in positive degree, there will be than most other in comparative degree, and there will be one of the plus superlative form of adjective and adverb in superlative degree. Very few positive degree, one of the than most other comparative degree, one of the superlative degree. This portion you must remember. NP plus verb plus one of the plus superlative form of adjective and adverb plus NP plural number plus extension. Ramayana is one of the most famous, one of the most. Must remember and look at this portion. One of the most superlative degree. If there is very few in comparative positive degree, there will be than most other in comparative degree. There will be one of the in superlative degree. Okay. Ramayana is one of the most famous books in the world. King Solomon was one of the greatest kings in the world. India is one of the most affected countries by COVID-19 in the world. Okay. So, dear students and viewers, I want to advise you again and again, because if you link my YouTube channel, you will find a lot of videos, series of videos which I have published for you only for the students, those who are suffering from mental depression at home during this contaminated period. Most of the students do not have the chance to study at home with their tutor or teachers. I hope that if they practice and follow my video, they will be benefited and it will be helpful to them. Needs no telling. You are advised to link Khokon Mondol YouTube channel or Facebook. There are many videos related to English grammar. So they will be helpful to you. So try to link to my YouTube channel and it will be very helpful to you. I hope it. Yes, I have already penned down the name Khokon Mondol YouTube channel. You can link and search to YouTube channel. There are so many videos relating to English grammar. It will be helpful to you and your child, your students, your friends, your classmates will be benefited. Needs no telling. I want to help the students during this crisis period. We are passing the crucial period, COVID-19. Most of the students do not have the chance to study appropriately, properly. They do not have the chance to go to their teachers and they cannot go outside. So it is very difficult for them. Our educational system is going to be broken and we want to recover it. So don't waste your time. Try to practice at home and follow the rules. Again, I am requesting you, I am advising you to follow my next channel which I am going to publish for you. If you need, you can pen down the comments to into the comments box and follow my YouTube channel. I want to advise you to stay at home because this is very crucial time for the human beings all over the world, not only in our subcontinent but also all over the world. Most of the people are suffering from the disease and they are passing the very crucial time, very dangerous time. So dear students, make yourself and save yourselves, protect your family, protect yourself. Follow the rules of WHO, World Health Organization, the directions and the advice which they are providing. We must follow them and we should keep ourselves neat and clean. We all should work in a body. If you do something in a body, it will be successful. Needs no telling. I wish you sound health. May God bless you. No more today. Thank you all. Bye bye.